He came back with his crew. Yeah. Wow. That's crazy, dog. The rat thought he was good, free and clear. He came back with his homeboys. Do they? Oh man, I need to get a customer. Now they flew away.
We're gonna get a couple more. Say, man, we're gonna need at least 6. We're gonna need at least 6 to take care of this problem.
I mean, the rat's right there. They all chilling over there. What happened? The bird was just chilling though, chasing the rat, and he was like, "You know what? I'm gonna get my homeboys. Y'all come see this. Come see this." And then that's when he brought everybody to come see the little rat. That's what happened. Check this out. You won't ever believe that.
That's a little bitty guy.
Yeah. Dude, he's the size of my thumb. A little bit bigger. Come on, birds. Give us some more action.